In this video, you will learn how to use the new Gradebook in Canvas. The new Gradebook helps instructors easily input, manage, and release grades to students. To get started, click the Grades link in Course Navigation. The new Gradebook's default view displays a list of all students and assignments. In the View menu, you can manage how the Gradebook is displayed. Using the Arrange By option, you can arrange assignment columns by assignment name, due date, points, and module. From the Filters option, you can filter the new Gradebook by assignment groups, modules, sections, or student groups. If your course includes grading periods will also be included as an option. Select an option from the Filters menu, and then select an option from the Filter drop-down menu. Multiple filters can be applied to offer more precise views of your Gradebook data. To reset the filters, disable the filters from the View menu. From the Statuses option, you can customize the status color options that display in the Gradebook. Choose a new color for the desired status, and click the Done button to apply your changes. You can also choose to display a notes column or unpublished assignments. The Gradebook Actions menu allows you to import and export your Gradebook. To export a CSV file of your Gradebook, click the Export link. To import changes to your Gradebook, click the Import link and select the CSV file with your changes. The Student Name Options menu includes options to sort students alphabetically, order by first or last name, and display secondary information for the students, such as SIS or login IDs. You can also display students with inactive or concluded enrollments. Assignment columns are automatically added to the Gradebook when a new course assignment is created. The different icons and colors in the cells represent assignment and submission statuses within Canvas. You can resize a column or drag and drop an assignment column to a new location in the Gradebook. The Gradebook scrolls horizontally while the student name column remains static, allowing you to easily find information. To view assignment options, click the Assignments Options menu. You can sort the Gradebook by grade or status, message students, curve grades, set a default grade, post hidden grades, hide grades, or enter the grade as another grading option. You can also set a grade posting policy for an individual assignment. In the Grade Posting Policy sidebar, you can set the assignment to release grades automatically or manually. To enter or edit scores in the Gradebook, click the cell for the assignment and student that you want to change. Enter the new score according to the assignment grading option. To view additional details about a submission, click the Grade Detail Tray icon in the assignment cell. The tray includes the student's name, the name of the assignment, a link to view the submission in SpeedGrader, grading information, submission status options, and a comment field. Click the X icon to close the grade detail tray and return to the Gradebook. The Gradebook also displays a total column for each assignment group and for the total grade for each student in the course. If you have enabled the Final Grade Override, the override column will display next to the total column in the Gradebook. The Gradebook Settings menu provides additional options for managing grades that should be completed before students submit assignments. To open the Settings menu, click the Settings icon. On the Late Policies tab, you can automatically deduct points for missing or late submissions. To automatically apply a grade for missing submissions, click the Automatically Apply Grade for Missing Submissions checkbox, and enter the grade in the grade percentage for missing submissions field. To automatically deduct points for late submissions, click the Automatically Apply Deduction to Late Submissions checkbox. Enter a deduction percentage, an interval, and a lowest possible grade. To set a course level policy that defines how and when grades are released to students, click the Grade Posting Policy tab. To release grades to students as soon as they are entered, click the Automatically Post Grades option. To hide grades by default, select the Manually Post Grades option. When this option is selected, you will have to manually post grades to students from the Assignments menu. To award a student a different grade from the calculated total grade, click the Advanced tab and then click the Allow Final Grade Override checkbox. Click the Update button to apply your options. In the Gradebook menu, you can switch to the Gradebook Individual view and assess one student and one assignment at a time. In the Global Settings section, apply any preferred Gradebook settings. In the Content Selection section, select individual students and assignments to compare using each menu. You can also use the Previous and Next buttons to quickly select new students or assignments. Selected results display in the Grading section. Additional information is also displayed in the Student Information and Assignment Information sections. To return to the Gradebook default view, click the Gradebook drop-down menu and select Gradebook. You can also view a log of grading changes in your course. In the Gradebook menu, click the Gradebook History link. You can filter Gradebook history by student, grader, assignment, and date. You've now completed this overview video on the new Gradebook. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.